Hi guys, this is Gaurang and today is day 10 of doing Python question practice in LeetCode. Here's the question Roman to integer. We have to make Roman questions into integer. Let me show you. There's example of 3 and output is 3. There's example of 50 and 8. 58. Okay, there is example of 1994. There is a thousand here m and there is cm. Let me show you. We are gonna take not a single c. It will incorrect it. We have to take together cm because m is bigger than c and it comes after the c. So it joins the value like this xc 15 like this like v like 5 it subtracts the 1 and takes out 4. Let me show you code. Let me show you my code like this. We are gonna take a variable of total, a variable of previous, a variable of current. Now let's start from my loop. We are gonna reverse the Roman integer to subtract and identify the numbers easily. Reverse s. Okay, and for taking the uh, uh, Roman number integers, current is equals to Roman I. Okay, now we will take if current is smaller than previous, total is equals to total minus current. Why we are taking this? Because if c is smaller than m, we will join it and we will minus the 1000 from 100 to take the 900 like this, and else we will plus total is equals to total current, easy, and we will give the value previous is equals to current to change the values, and we will return the total. Okay, let's run this code if it's perfect or not. Okay, let's submit this code, my code. Let's see how it works. Okay, it works. It accepts my code. Screenshot this code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and goodbye.